Hello students, I am Swati Kedar. In today's C# session, we are going to see one more C# practice program that is on the delegates. You already learned about the delegates. Varsha ma'am already told you in C# theory class in session 37. Delegates is the callback method. C# delegates. You see here, the delegate is the reference type, data type that defines the method signature. You can define variable of delegates just like a other data type that can refer to any method with the same signature as the delegate. Syntax of this delegate: access modifier, delegate keyword, return type, delegate name and parameters. This is the delegate. And this program execution we are going to see in two ways. The first way, we type the program in Visual Studio and execute on Visual Studio only, and second way, we type the program in Notepad and execute on developer command prompt. So start with the first way in Visual Studio. I have already told you how to open the Visual Studio and how to create the new project. I have already created here one C# program file for this, and you see here these are the first 4 lines are the namespaces. I have already told you in previous sessions. After that, I have created here namespace delegates. Inside this delegates namespace, you have to create the classes and the methods. You see here class program. Inside the class program, we have created here one delegate del method, and inside the class program we have created here one class P, and inside the class P we have created here 3 methods: public static void display, public static void show, public void print. And outside this class P we have created here, means inside the class program we have created here main method, static void main, and program execution start from this method only. So we see this first. Inside the main method, you see here del method del1 is equal to p dot show. These lines means we are assigning show method of a class P to the del1. After that, del method del2 is equal to new del method in bracket p dot display, means this display method of a class P we are assigning to del2 using the new keyword. This del2 means like a object only. After that, we have created here object of a class P. P obj is equal to new. P is the constructor here. After that, del method del3 is equal to obj dot print, means print method of class P we are assigning to del3, and this obj is the object of class P. Using this we are assigning a print method to the del3. After that, we are calling here that 3 methods using the del1, del2 and del3. We are first here calling the del1, means we are here, you see here show method will assign here del1. So in del1 we have the show method, so it calls the show method first. Inside the show method, you see here console dot write line hi, means hi will be printed on the console. After that, we are calling here del2. In del2, you see here we are assigning the display to del2, so it calls the display method here. You see here inside the display method of a class P we are printing hello message on the console. After that, we are calling here del3, and in del3 we have the print method, means we are assigned here print method of a class P to the del3, so it calls the print method. Inside the print method, we are printing print message on the console. After that you have to close all the brackets and save the program and go for execution. For that you have to click on start, and you see here console will open here, and you see here the output of this program, hi, hello, print. And this is the execution in Visual Studio. Now we go for the tracing of this program. You see here we have created here two classes, class program and class P. Inside the class program we have created here delegate, del method and class P. You see here inside the class P we have created here three methods: display method, show method and print method. And outside the class P we have created here, means inside the class program we have created here main method, static void main, and program execution start from this method only. So we see the first this main method, del method, del1 is equal to p dot show, means we are assigning this show method of the class P to the del1. After that del method del2 is equal to new del method in bracket p dot display, means we are assigning this display method of class P to the del2 using this new keyword, means del2 is like a object here. And after that we have created here object of class P obj is equal to new P constructor del method del3 is equal to obj dot print, means we are assigning this print method of a class P using this object obj to the del3, means we are assigning this print method to del3 here. After that we are calling here del1, del2, del3. In del1 we are assigned here show method to del1, so it calls the show method. And you see here inside this show method we are printing hi on the console, so it prints hi on the console. After that we are calling here del2, means you see here display is assigned to del2, so it calls here display method. You see here inside the display method we are printing the message hello on the console, so it prints on the console hello on the console. After that we are calling here del3. In del3 we are assigned here print method, so it calls the print method here. You see here inside this print method we are printing print message on the console, so it prints print message on the console. So this is the output of this program and it prints on the console. This is the tracing of this program. And now we go for the execution in second way. We type the program in notepad and execute on developer command prompt. For that you have to copy this program from the Visual Studio and open the notepad and paste in notepad and save this file. Go to file, save, and you have to save this file in D drive. I have already created here one folder C# program inside the D drive, so inside that C# program folder I saved this file. Give the file name delegates. I give here delegates.cs. give the extension .cs for this C# file and click on save. The file will save now. Now we go for execution. For that you have to open the developer command prompt. You see here in command prompt we by default we are in C drive and our file is in D drive. For that you type here D:. You see here now we are in D drive and give here folder location. For that you have to type here cd C# program and enter. You see here now we are in D drive in our folder. Now we go for the compilation of this program. For that you have to type here csc file name is delegates.cs. Enter. The file is compiled now. Now we go for the execution of this file. For that you have to type here file name is delegate without the extension. You have to type here, you have to give here delegates. You have to give her file name without the extension and enter. You see here output of this program, hi hello print. This is the execution on the developer command prompt. Thank you.